Stop. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's SILVERADO OBS back at it again with another video. Last video I made, it was about, get out of here, I'm recording. Last video I made was about me installing the interior LEDs. I ended up buying a Canon G7X Mark II. So that's why that video, that video it shows me buying the Underglow as well. So so with this camera, I don't know. So with this camera, I'm gonna use it to record the Underglow on the OBS. Also, a little quick update on that camera. I had made a video about it, and that shit burnt. It just stopped working all of a sudden. So that shit burned, you know. So I already took it back. In the process of getting my money back. But stay tuned. I'm gonna buy another backup camera with something else. So this video, we're going to be installing the Underglow. I got Taquache Angel helping me. So what's up, Angel? Check his fit. He's low-key gay, but it's alright. So with these ones, you gotta have these connected to the battery, and then of course the control. The control is on the app. So right now we're just laying out you're stepping on the LEDs, fool, watch out. So right now we're just mapping it out, see how we're gonna do it. Oh, this is Julie, by the way. Exactly. We're just mapping how we're gonna do it for I could you know, if I could try to tuck up the cables and whatnot. But yeah, so what's up to the vlog? Damn, bro. Shout out to Galvan Summers once again. He got down real quick. Here's the interior. Real quick. All right, we're gonna set this up, and then I'll get back to you. Peace. Alright, what's up YouTube? So I already finished putting the lights on the truck. As you guys can see in this video, when I started, how there was light and now it's all completely dark. And honestly, bro, I liked it. Reason being is because I kept doing stuff here and then going back to the truck, doing stuff here, then going back to the truck. So I already hooked everything up. Right now I'm using the flash from my iPhone, that way you guys can see the truck. So turn the flash off real quick. So if you go, let this shit focus. Alright, who cares? So there's an app called GOVE. Hold on, you guys, my bad. This app lets you turn on the lights from the inside. I mean, this app lets you turn on the lights from your phone. So the interior lights, those are the ones that I have connected to the interior of the truck, and then these are the bottom ones. So everything is hooked up by Bluetooth, not by Wi-Fi. Just Bluetooth. So an example, you could tap on it, right? See, the device is off, but it's connected. See. So you just turn it on. I really recommend these, you guys, but I know on Amazon there's another one on Amazon that has a control. And I had just found out about that one as well. Let me show you the back. Yeah, they're honestly they're pretty bright. Yeah, you know, I would say this is a good buy. You know, there's the sides. I do recommend these, not like that freaking camera that burned out on the day. So here are the lights. So if you guys end up getting these ones, the ones I got, real quick, let me tell you guys, for the strips on the front, the way how I made that one fit was by me taping the LED strips on the inside, on the side of my lowering valance where I have the fog lights. So let me see if I can show you. Like right there, you guys can see that shooting towards the back of the truck, and it lights up the front pretty well. So let me show you the other options that there are for the truck. I mean the colors, my bad. So there's white, it's not white, it's low-key like a bluish color. On cameras showing up white, but exactly right there, that's where the room's at, that's literally the color that's showing there. And then I like red. Oh shit, hold on you guys, hold on. For some reason, for the red one, the camera's having a hard time. Alright, so for the red, it's kind of having a hard time focusing. Real quick, let me just change the color. Also, there's different modes as well. Like this one, I think this is like when you talk. Oh yeah, that's when you talk. So when you talk, you guys, this one starts changing colors. So it's alright, it's alright. And then this one's scenes. So there's like this romantic, I don't know. Oh, okay, that's just, oh, there's the red. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, honestly, I like the red a lot. Candlelight. Twinkle. Yeah, so you know, there's different modes. Now this one's a DUI. So this one, okay, yeah, I did this one earlier. So this one just flashes fast. Not fast, but like, you know what I mean? Like, it's alright, it's alright. I mean, I forgot how much I paid for these. I think I paid like roughly like around maybe like 40 bucks or 35 bucks, around there, for these ones. Now this is the color wheel where you guys could like adjust your colors, and you know, you fuck around with it. Oh, okay. Alright, fuck with this, I fuck with this. But yeah guys, so that's, you know, this is the truck, how it looks with those flashing lights, with underglow, I guess I should call them. Now in the video, you guys are gonna see some cables sticking out like right there. Don't worry about that, you know, that's obviously I'm gonna tuck those and zip tie them. You know, you guys don't gotta work and clean all that shit up too. But yeah, I mean, overall, this is the first time me actually buying them, and I really don't know how long they last. But for 30 or 40 bucks, you know, whatever, how much I paid for it, I'm gonna have everything down in the description below with the link, that way you guys could purchase these. But I don't know if these are gonna last me forever, because I never had LEDs on, like, you know, on the outside before. But I mean, they should last you a pretty long time, and they're not really hard to install. I think the hard part of installing it was actually figuring out like where you're gonna place the LED strips. But real quick, you guys, I know it's dark, let me show you guys the interior lights in the nighttime. There you go. So like I said, before, you could control these through the app on your phone. See? So let's say I'm blue, right? You guys can see blue good actually. Look, and then I put some right here in the back as well, like the ones that are in the video. My amps. See, so you could have these on at the same time. So let me go back to the car one. Like I said, Bluetooth, everything's already hooked up. Let me go to color and let me put in blue. So now I got the interior blue, LED wise, and I got the truck lights blue as well. Yeah, I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like it a lot. Yeah, you guys, this was just a quick video on installing the underglow for the OBS, as well as the interior lights for the truck. As I mentioned earlier in this part of the video, I had purchased a new camera. I got a Canon G7X Mark II. So with the camera I used, the camera I used before was actually a I used my iPhone. I used the iPhone X, and I just wanted to try something different, you know. Let me know in the comment sections how you guys think the video quality on this camera is versus on my iPhone. I'm not gonna lie, this camera is on it's actually kind of hard to use if you never really used a camera, like a video camera like that before, besides your phone. So that's why I'm saying, you know, like let me know in the comments below whether you guys want the iPhone record or the camera record, you know. But alright, you guys, so this was Mamalan OBS, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Y en una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como en mi estilo.